help me do the unboxing. Ito yung mga nakuha ko sa fan wrap. First, second, and then third, and then super cute. Ayan, maliit lang siya. And 3 peraso ata yung nakuha. Ayan. Just have to follow their page. Here. Love in every drops. Healthy and pure brand. Taray! And this one, diba? Tapos, meron silang birch tree. And then, they have, ano to? From Panasonic. Ano to? Ah! Ang cutie! It's kitty pie. Nasabit sa bag. Hello, ang cute! Diba? I like it. Then, meron silang Quaker. Thank you so much. And this one from Pocari. Para dito mo ilalagay yung parang ganyan. Tapos eto, matcha. Ano to? Hindi ko alam kung paano to gamitin. Ayan. And then, meron silang energy gel. And, meron silang 20% for dental care. For dental. And meron silang nabasa na siya kasi umulan na, diba? Meron silang brochure for the Panasonic. And here, hindi naman ako nagre-Rexona. So, but thank you so much. Ay, ito. Kailangan ko to. Taray! May 1,000 gift voucher sa Mizuno. This 1,000 pesos footwear voucher can only be used once per transaction with no minimum spend. This voucher is only usable once and is only redeemable at Mizuno Ayala Malls, Raynoma, and Mizuno SM Mega Mall. This gift voucher can be used in conjunction with other marketing promotion and or during sales event. Non-stackable. Valid until June 30, 2026. So if bibili ka sa kanila ng shoes, or anything na pang running, like your outfit, meron silang, kasi nag-visit ako doon, meron silang sports bra, and then, basta yung mga pang running, ayan, pwede mo itong ipakita. Thank you so much. And, tara, may battery na ako sa remote ko.